Our merchant credit program provides you multiple options to secure money for your business, including merchant advances and merchant credit lines. If you accept credit cards now or would like to, our merchant credit programs might be perfect for you. You can secure up to $250,000 in financing for your business, even if you have personal credit challenges now. Our merchant programs offer you flexible options and make it easy for you to obtain money for your business. You can be approved for between $1,000 and $250,000 based on the volume of credit cards you are processing now. Even if you are a new business that is not accepting credit cards, we can help set you up with a merchant account and you will receive your first merchant credit line with a $1,000 limit. You can be approved even if you have challenged personal credit now. Our merchant card program actually has some of the highest approval rates of all business financing. Plus, you can get approved for financing within 48 hours. You can be approved for merchant financing even if you have no collateral. Plus, you don't even need to provide a personal guarantee. And in many cases, your new account will report to the business credit reporting agencies, helping you build your business credit. Our revolving merchant credit line is an exclusive product that provides you ongoing access to cash for your business. This was created to give our customers access to a high-limit credit line that they can use again and again for their business. With our merchant card program, you receive a credit card you can use anywhere MasterCard and Visa are accepted. You can even deduct funds at an ATM or transfer funds directly to your bank account. We even help you set up a new merchant account to facilitate the payback process for your financing. And your new account will offer you the same or better terms than you are paying now, possibly saving you even more money. You will love the easy and fast 48-hour underwriting process to get you approved. You will typically only be asked for 4 to 6 months of your past merchant account statements and possibly bank statements. Only in higher risk, high loan amount scenarios does underwriting typically request a balance sheet and profit and loss statement. To be approved, you should be processing $5,000 or more in credit cards now. Your actual approval amount will be based on the volume of credit cards you process now. A new business can also qualify for a new merchant account and a $1,000 credit line if they can provide bank statements that show revenue exceeding $5,000 per month. This is one of the only merchant credit line programs in the country that works for brand new businesses. To qualify, your personal credit scores should be over 500 and shouldn't have any derogatory items on your credit report within the last 12 months. Your credit should also not have any open judgments or collections and unpaid status, and you shouldn't have any bankruptcies on your credit report to be approved. Our merchant program offers you flexible options and makes it easy for you to obtain money for your business even with challenged personal credit. And you can be approved for merchant advances or even one of the most exclusive financing programs available today, a working capital merchant credit line. Contact us today to apply, get approved, and start benefiting from the financing our merchant credit programs provide.